DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. So first of all, just open your settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and then go to advanced. Then click on special app access, and here you will notice install unknown apps. Mark it, and now you can give permission to some particular application, for example Google Chrome or Google Drive, it doesn't matter actually. Then just tap on this switcher to activate this source. So from now on you will be able to install another app via this source, so you can manage it for any other app. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.